there is a lot of competition in the market for lithium battery inverters now. Most brands are launching inverters along with lithium batteries, and many are launching models with inbuilt batteries. Related to this, we received a comment on our video asking whether the Livguard Lithium inverter that has been launched, which comes with an inbuilt lithium battery, should be purchased or not. You can definitely purchase it. It already comes with an inbuilt lithium battery. Because of this, there is no wiring hassle at all. It becomes a plug and play system, and you can install it anywhere in your home. It also looks very good, and there is almost no maintenance required. So you can comfortably buy it and use it. But before this, there are already some inbuilt lithium battery inverters available in the market. If we compare this with them, then we can see whether you should buy it or not. So first, let us talk about the Livguard Lithium inverter itself, which has a load capacity of 1200 VA. Because of this, you can easily run a load of around 700 to 800 watt on it. If we talk about the lithium battery, it comes with a 1.28 kilowatt hour lithium battery inside. So on this, you can run a load of around 400 watt for about 3 hours. This should be used only by someone who needs to run around 400 watt for about 3 hours. You cannot increase or decrease the backup as per your choice, because the lithium battery inside cannot be changed. If it gets damaged in any case, you have to take it to Livguard. It will be replaced only from there. So the biggest problem with inbuilt lithium battery inverters is that even in the future, you cannot change the battery as per your load requirement. Apart from this, if we talk about its features, it comes with a display. On this display, you can see the performance of your inverter. The plus point of this inverter is that you get a 5-year warranty on the inverter section and a full 8-year warranty on the battery, which makes it special. There are very few companies in the market that provide such a long warranty on lithium inverter batteries. So if you want tension-free usage for a long time, you can definitely go with this Livguard brand. If we talk about the price, you get it for around 45,000 rupees. But here you will see that in other brands available in the market, inbuilt lithium battery inverters also come with a solar option, and they are cheaper than this. There are many brands offering such inverters like the Genus company and the UTL company. Apart from these, there are also many smaller brands. They provide you with an all-in-one solution with an inbuilt lithium battery, and there you also get the solar option. So you get an extra advantage there. As I mentioned, in the UTL model, you can connect up to 1 kilowatt of solar panels. It comes with a 1 kilowatt hour lithium battery and a load capacity of 1 kVA. Although the load capacity and battery capacity are lower than the Livguard one, the solar option allows you to install a 1 kilowatt solar system at your home using that inverter, and its price is around 33,000 rupees. So here you can see that the price is around 12,000 rupees lower, and you also get the solar option as a plus point. Along with this, the UTL model also comes with a display. Buttons are provided for customization, so you can easily do customization in it. If you want to prepare your setup only with solar, then I recommend that you go for an external lithium battery setup. This way you can install a bigger or smaller battery as per your requirement, because the inverter load capacity remains fixed and everyone's battery backup requirement can be more or less. If you need to run more load during the day, you can run it through solar. That means with low usage or a smaller battery, your work will be done. If you need more battery backup at night and power cuts are frequent, then you can install a bigger lithium battery, while the inverter capacity will remain the same. Here I will give you an example again. UTL Gamma Plus has a 3400 model on which you can run a 3 kVA load around 2 kilowatts, and you can also connect 3 kilowatts of solar panels. Now UTL company also has its own 24 volt lithium battery. When you connect a 24 volt and 100 ampere hour battery and run a 2 kilowatt load, you get about 1 hour of backup. Now if someone wants to run a 2 kilowatt load for 2 hours, then they will need a 24 volt and 200 ampere hour battery. In this way, you can increase the capacity as per your requirement, and if you do not need much battery backup, then you can choose a 24 volt and 50 ampere hour battery, which will be cheaper. A 24 volt and 100 ampere hour battery costs around 35,000 rupees. If you reduce the capacity to half, that is 50 ampere hour, then it is easily available for around 17,000 to 18,000 rupees. And if you double the capacity, then the battery costs around 60,000 rupees. So in this way, if you prepare a customized system as per your requirement, it will be a bit cheaper. The UTL inverter costs around 20,000 rupees and the lithium battery costs around 30,000 to 35,000 rupees. So in this way, you can prepare a combo for around 55,000 rupees, with which you can also install a 3 kilowatt solar system in the future. Now, if you compare this, you will see that compared to Livguard, this becomes around 10,000 rupees more expensive. But here you get more lithium battery support. That means you can get more backup and the load capacity also increases. So in the end, the choice is totally yours. If you only want a home UPS with a good design and you do not want to connect solar, then Livguard is the best option. And if you want to go with a solar setup, then brands like UTL are a better choice. If you still have any questions or suggestions, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also, subscribe to my channel. Along with subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you. For Maru.